Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable the docked magnifier view on your Chromebook. So just this top window up here if you want to disable or remove it. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the launcher menu and search for settings. Best result, check back with settings, open that up. And then on the left panel here, you want to go down and select accessibility. Go ahead and select that. And then on the right side, select where it says display and magnification. Should be something that says docked magnifier. Use the split screen to see the magnified area on your screen. Use the search, control, and D key combinations to turn docked magnifier on and off. Go ahead and just click inside that oval to toggle it off. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.